So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Geek Champ. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix Slack helper tool keeps popping up on your Mac issue. Now there are two ways to fix this issue. Method 1 is to change the app owner and the second method is to reinstall the Slack app. Now to continue with method 1, you need to open terminal. For this, open Spotlight search. Now type terminal and press return key. Now you need to execute some commands. You can find these commands on the Geek Champ website. I will leave the link in the description. So first, copy this command. Now paste it here and press return key. If you see root here, then that means root is the owner of the app. Now you have to change the owner. For this, copy one more command. See this command right here? Copy it. Paste it here and press enter. Now this should fix the issue. However, if you still face it, then you will have to reinstall Slack. For this, open Finder, click on Applications, right click on Slack, and then on Move to Bin. Now type the password for a Mac. Click on OK. After this, right click on Bin and then on Empty Bin. Click on Empty Bin again. This will uninstall Slack. Now to reinstall it, open App Store. Click on the search bar, search for Slack. Now click on this icon to install Slack. Once done, launch Slack and log into your account. Now this should fix the issue and you won't face it anymore.